Alright, we are finally doing something that I've been wanting to do for weeks. We're going to a park. Stay tuned. What you doing, Sydney?
Bouncing on the exercise.
Bouncing on the exercise?
Guys,
Nice.
I'm going to try to do something. Mom, hurry, make sure I'm going to try to do the bar. Mom, help!
Well done, sis. Isaac's doing gymnastics. You fell on the dismount. That's an automatic half a point. 5/10. All right. Good job. Sydney's on the beam. All right, let's see your dismount, cute girl. Nice execution. All right, Isaac, tell us what you're doing. Remember, the greens doesn't work.
Trick.
You're doing a trick?
Yeah. But it works. I have proof for you because it works.
All right, so what do you have in your bowl? What's in your bowl, babe?
Orange,
Yellow.
yellow,
But what are you putting the food coloring in?
blue,
Is it milk or water?
milk.
Milk. Okay, and so you're putting milk in a bowl with food coloring.
And then you have to wait for a little bit.
Sydney's getting your dish soap on your Q-tip. Hi, Sissy. Yep.
Whoa! It just runs away, huh?
Do you want to try? You have to get up on one. Because of... Mom, please give me a portion.
Pretty cool, Isaac.
Please get...
Hey, Sydney.
Hey,
What are you eating for dinner?
salad.
Salad. What's in your salad?
A lot of things, even food in my salad.
Even what?
Like, we must, we have the egg, but we missed the carrot.
Yeah.
So we decided to have the yummy sauce because we don't have any yummy sauce for me. And we decided by having sleeping downstairs, and we're gonna go upstairs and paint my nails.
Are you gonna paint your nails again?
Yeah.
Do you love salad?
Yeah.
Is it one of your favorite foods?
Ugh.
Do you like the lettuce, the carrots, or the avocados best?
I like all of them. Some potatoes and not pickles and say hi.
Hi.
Someone.
Can you say Mommy needs to meal plan better Thursday nights so we don't have to keep going out for salads?
Yeah, that's what she said. But Mama first.
Can you give your animal a checkup, Henry? Show me how to give it a checkup.
I love you. Woo! 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 Oh, it sounds like
Sounds like a birdie in her ear?
yeah.
That sounds serious.
Help me.
That one has a cow?
It's in there. It's in this here, Mommy.
Oh my gosh.
I'm Bunny. I'm Bunny. That's it.
How's Leah's heartbeat?
Good. Here you go, Henry. Thanks. And you need to check your arm. I'll just hold this on your arm. And he's been a little bit sick.
Yep, Henry, there's a thermometer and an otoscope too.
And he's sick. Please give him the water. He's been sick.
Does he need water for his ears?
Yeah.
Poor Bailey. Bummer, Henry. I think it's all done, Henry. Get your tickets. Hold on, Cindy.
That's how you play, Henry. You just do this forever.
Get the alien, Sydney. Good job. Go, Henry.
High five, Henry. High five, Henry. High five. High five. There you go.
Hey, Sydney. How was the arcade?
Good.
What did you get?
A unicorn bracelet and a ring.
How was the arcade, Izzy?
Good.
What'd you get?
The best one too.
Nice.
A white 10,000 car.
Okay. Henry, how was the arcade, buddy?
It was fun.
It was fun. What'd you get?
The basketball. Squish, squish.
A bouncy ball?
It says squish, 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 squish.
Nice.